Hey guys, this is MDB Tech, and today we're unboxing PS4 game Ghost of Tsushima. I made a video a long time ago, so I decided maybe I'll unbox something for you. This game released in 2019, I guess. It's kind of old game, but done by the Sony PlayStation Studios. I wanted to try it out, but never had a time. And it looks like this time we'll see. Do I like it? And the moment of truth, do we get anything inside? Ooh, okay, we get something. Just a booklet about Predator Hunting Grounds and The Last of Us Part 2 game on PlayStation 4. Okay, not too much, but at least we have a disc. Okay guys, that was MDB Tech. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.